Here's the property in the estates that you were asking about. Plenty of room here to park vehicles or a boat. Or the property line actually doesn't stop there, it goes a little bit further, so you have quite a bit of privacy, but no one on either side or behind. At least not that you can see. Kind of opens up into the kind of a dining room area, living room. You do have a half bath here for guests. This is going to take you out to the garage. Looks like the owners have some insulation on the door to make it a little bit cooler in there in the summer months. And then this is going to be your primary suite. Nice walk-in closet. And a little bit smaller closet on this side. I'm guessing this section was probably outside at one point because it's a little bit of a drop down. They did extend the lanai area, and they do have a nice screened in area here as well. And then of course you have a beautiful pool here on the backyard. Kind of your typical split floor plan design where the guest bedrooms are on the other side. And of course, each room has its own closet. There's a couple things being stored in here, but we can always get those removed for you if that's your preference. Here's the third bedroom. Once again, a few things being stored in here, but not a problem. If you want them removed, we can definitely make that happen for you. And this is your linen closet. I hope this helps.